Are you ready to make a smart move with Zomedica stock? Get ready for a deep dive into the world of Zomedica. Our initial report was just the beginning, and now we're about to unveil an even more in-depth analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and tap that notification bell to stay in the loop with our latest updates. Missing out on crucial information could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our revolutionary AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Step into the realm of AI and gain access to free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. Brace yourselves, because since October 10, 2023, our system has labeled Zomedica as a sell candidate, with a not-so-impressive score of -1.49. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period and uncover some intriguing details. Buckle up, folks, because we'll be closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. Who knows what surprises await us? Picture this, a stock that's currently riding the upper part of a wide, falling trend. As a short-term trader, this presents a golden selling opportunity. Why, you ask? Well, history tells us that when a stock is in this position, it tends to react and head back towards the lower part of the trend. So, keep an eye out for that. But here's the kicker: if the stock manages to break up at the top trend line, priced at $0.174, it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a potential trend shift. Exciting times, indeed. Now, let's talk numbers. Based on the current 3-month trend, we're looking at a potential change of about -26.36% over the next 3 months. Of course, there's always a range of possibilities, and this one falls between -38.85% and -26.16%. So, buckle up and prepare for some potential fluctuations. Fast forward to the 12-month trend. Brace yourself for a -14.81% change over the next 12 months. But hold on, there's a ray of hope. We're also looking at a potential return between -22.64% and 27.14%. A price range of $0.134 to $0.221 after a year. How's that for perspective? It's all about playing the long game, my friends. Keep those numbers in mind. Breaking news. Zomedica stock downgraded to sell candidate. Exciting developments in the Zomedica stock market. On the last trading day, the stock price saw a 2.54% gain, climbing from $0.169 to $0.174. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a thrilling 2.6% fluctuation, reaching a low of $0.169 and a high of $0.174. Despite a few recent declines, the stock is still up by an impressive 2.18% over the past 2 weeks. In a positive sign, volume has increased, with 718,000 more shares being traded compared to the previous day. The total trading volume amounted to 2 million shares, valued at approximately $427.41 thousand. Let's take a closer look at the performance of Zomedica stock over the past year. Its highest price within the last 52 weeks was $0.335, while the lowest price dipped to $0.150. Currently, the stock is trading at a significant discount of 48.15%, which amounts to $0.161, below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it's an astonishing 94.17% lower than the all-time high of $2.98, achieved on June 22, 2018. Breaking news, analyst ratings. Exciting updates on the stock market. Get ready for some valuable insights. On Friday, January 6, 2023, Dawson James gave ZOM a buy grade with an initialize action. And that's not all. On Monday, November 16, 2020, H.C. Wainwright gave ZOM a buy grade with a hold action. Exciting news for Zomedica stock. Analysts have weighed in and given it a general neutral rating. But wait, there's more. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as another buy. Let's talk return on investment. The analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. But what does that mean for you? Are you ready for some exciting news about Zomedica? Let's dive in. Last Friday, September 15, 2023, a buy signal was issued for Zomedica. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 8.02%. And guess what? There's more good news. The indicators suggest that the rise will continue until a new top pivot is found. But that's not all. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has also given a buy signal. Zomedica's volume has been increasing, showing strong support for the price rise. This is a positive sign, as volume usually follows price movements. Plus, higher liquidity means reduced risk. However, there are some negative signals to consider as well. The short-term moving average gives a buy signal, but the long-term average gives a sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there's a general sell signal for the stock, which leads to a slightly more negative forecast. Keep in mind that if the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $0.175. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be some support from the short-term average at $0.167. Breaking through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will add another sell signal and reinforce the general signal. So, there you have it, the latest signals for Zomedica. It's an exciting time for investors, with both positive and negative indicators to consider. Stay tuned for more updates on this stock. Get ready to dive into some exciting signals. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving a strong buy signal. Pivots are also indicating a buy signal that occurred 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal 18 days ago as well. The short-term moving average is giving a buy signal 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 43 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and uncover more insights. The short moving average is giving a buy signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 38 days ago. Exciting, right? If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Are you ready to discover the potential of Zomedica? Picture this. Zomedica, a stock that's finding solid support from accumulated volume at $0.170. And guess what? This very support level could be your ticket to a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is highly likely when it's put to the test. But that's not all. Brace yourself for some exciting news. Zomedica is known for its consistent movements throughout the day, making it a promising option for traders. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Can you feel the thrill yet? Let's dig deeper. In the last day alone, the stock made a significant move of $0.0044 between its high and low, which accounts for a 2.6% change. And get this, over the past week, Zomedica has shown an average daily volatility of 3.91%. That's some serious action right there. Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for Zomedica. But first, let's get a quick overview of some essential fundamental data. To start off, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Now, if a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they either have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through rough patches, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, we have some exciting news. The next earnings report for Q3 2023 is just around the corner, expected on November 13, 2023. Are you ready to dive into the potential day trading levels for Zomedica? Let's get started. Picture this, an upward trend for Zomedica. The excitement builds as we reach the first resistance level at $0.185. If you're not already holding shares, this could be your golden opportunity. Wait for this level to be breached and then consider entering a position. And for those who are already in the game, swing trading may be on the horizon. But what about the downside? Don't worry, Zomedica has you covered. As we encounter the first support level at $0.170, the anticipation of a rebound grows. Keep a close eye on this level, as it could be the perfect entry point. Wondering about the outlook for Zomedica? Well, let's dive right into it. But first, let's see what the analysts have to say. According to multiple analyst sources, Zomedica currently holds a neutral rating. Now, let's shift our focus to some recent insider trades that have caught our attention. On May 26, 2023, Heat and Larry C2 made a bold move by buying 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. Another insider, Powers Johnny D, joined the action on May 25, 2023, with a purchase of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. Back in March 16, 2023, Donato Peter made a significant insider buy with 5 million shares of option to buy common stock. Interestingly, on the same day, Donato Peter also conducted an insider buy, but this time with 0 shares. Going further back to December 9, 2022, Powers Johnny D jumped in again with a buy of 1,465,727 shares of options to buy common stock. Crunching the numbers from the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with an impressive ratio of 81.592. Looking at the big picture, insiders have been quite active, purchasing a staggering 94,937,495 shares and selling 11,022,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Hey there! Today, we're going to discuss an important stock evaluation with a twist. It's a negative one. And guess what? We haven't even set a stop loss yet. Intriguing, right? Are you wondering if Zomedica stock is a good buy? Well, let's take a closer look. Currently, Zomedica is showing some negative signals and our analysis suggests that it may not perform strongly in the near future. In fact, we have downgraded our evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. But that's not all. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is actually overvalued. Now, let's talk about what to expect for trading on Wednesday, October 11th. Zomedica is projected to open down $0.0015 and start trading at $0.172. Are you ready to dive into the world of trading? But hold on, before you take the plunge, it's important to understand the risks involved. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor who can guide you through the ups and downs of the market. Remember, your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, but remember, you are responsible for your own investment choices. Welcome back, traders. Get ready to dive into the world of stocks with us. We're about to unveil our current view on this particular stock. But hold on, we want to hear from you too. Do you agree or disagree with our analysis? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stock insights. So, let's get started and discover our target for this stock. Brace yourself for successful trading and have an absolutely fantastic day, all courtesy of your friends here at StockInvest.